Algebra Word Problems, number 30B, write, solve equations for a slope of a line. When we walk up or down a hill, we are on a slope, and a graphed line like a hill has a slope. And the slope of a line is given as a number, and when we move between the 2 points on the line, the slope is found by dividing the change in the y values by the corresponding change in the x values. So take a look at my terrible grid drawing here, but you'll get the idea. Here's one point, and here's another point. When you look at the difference in the y values, it goes 1, 2. So we put that on the top of our fraction. And the difference in the x values is 1, 2, 3. So we put that as the denominator in our fraction. So the slope would be 2/3. The slope of a line is equal to the change in the y value, the vertical change, as the numerator, and the change in the x value, the horizontal change, as the denominator. And a line that goes up from left to right has a positive slope, and a line that goes down from left to right has a negative slope. So let's see what it says for us to do. Subtract the coordinates to find the slope of a line that passes through each pair of points. So remember, slope equals change in y over change in x as a fraction. So we've got our points that we can plot. We have 0, 2. So let's plot that. 0 on the x, but 2 on the y would put us right here. It's 0 on the x, but 2 on the y. All right, now we have 1 and 4. 1 on the x, but 4 on the y. So 1 on the x and 4 on the y puts us right here. See? So now what's the slope of our line? Well, what is the y doing? It's going 1, 2. And the x is just going 1 jump, isn't it? So 1 jump for the x, 2 jumps for the y. The y goes on top, 2. There's the x is 1. The slope is equal to 2 over 1, or the slope is equal to 2 when we simplify our fraction. See? All right, so now let's take a look at this one. Our coordinates are 1 and 2. X is 1. And y is 2, x is 1, and y is 2. That's going to put us right here, right smack in the middle of my circle. And then the other coordinate is -2 and 5. So x is a -2. That's here, -2, but it's up at the 5, so it's right here. So what does it say our line is doing? It's going downhill, isn't it? So we're going to have a negative slope. So let's count. We come across for the x and go up for the y. So the y is going 1, 2, 3 jumps, and the x is going 1, 2, 3 jumps. So we've got a change in y of 3 and a change in x of 3. And because it was going downhill to the right, we've got a negative slope. So we've got -3 over 3, or -1. Our slope is -1. Let's try this last one. We're at 0, 0 on the origin, in the very center, right here. And then our next point is at x3 and y2. So x is on a 3 and y is on a 2, so that's going to put us right there. See? So what are they doing? How many jumps do we have? The y has 1, 2 jumps, and the x has 1, 2, 3 jumps. Y has a change in 2, and x has a change in 3. That's 2 over 3. Our slope is 2/3. See? This is pretty easy, isn't it? I hope you understood, and I hope I explained it well enough. We're going to move on to our next topic. See you there. Bye.